Having doubts while studying? Don't worry. Hey there, this is Vaishnu and welcome back to our YouTube channel Study to Learn. In the previous session, we discussed about frame and applet, and today we will learn about AWT controls in Java. So let's make a start. Our topic is AWT control. So in Java, AWT is used to create GUI as well as web applications. All the AWT controls are resided in java.awt package. Following are the some AWT controls. So our first control is label, which is used to set string or text. Next is text area, used as multi-line text box. Text field create a text box for input. We all know about checkbox and radio button. Checkbox is a multi-selection as well as radio button is exclusive selection. Choice is a pop-up list in which only one item can be selected. However, list is also a pop-up list, but in list multi-selection is allowed. Scroll bar is used to move page from up to down, from left to right and vice versa. And panel is the simplest container in which we can place AWT controls. We will discuss about first AWT control, that is label. Label is a string used for user interactions. Label is a passive component on which event can't be occurred because this is a passive component. Label is a read-only control, means we can't edit label. Now let's launch the constructors of label. AWT provides three constructors of label class. First is label but without parameter. Second is label with parameter as string. Third is label with two parameters, string and integer. First constructor, which is empty label, that is without label name. Here is the example of first constructor. In second constructor, here is a string parameter in which specified string in parameter is a text of label. Here is example of second constructor. In third constructor, here are the two parameters with string and integer respectively. First parameter specifies text and second parameter is integer static constant, which is the alignment of label text. In AWT, three constants are allowed for alignment. These are left, center and right, and given integer values are 0, 1, 2 respectively. In label, default alignment of label is left, and this is an example of third constructor. Let's see the methods of label, which are setText, getText, setAlignment, getAlignment. We will see each method in depth. Our first method is setText, used for setting text of label, and use this method like this, in which L1 is the object of label as given on the top of the screen. Second method is getText, which is used to get text of the label, and this method is used as by storing value of getText method in string value. Third is a setAlignment. It takes integer as a parameter which will set the alignment of a label text. We will use this method like this. Last method is a getAlignment, in which we will get alignment value of label and we have to store this result of this method in integer value. After constructors and method, now see how to add label to the container. We can add label to the container using add method. Here L1 is a label object, and if you want to add label in a specific container, then we will use the line of code. Here C is a container object and L1 is a label object. This is a demonstrative program for label in which three labels are created with all constructors and methods of label. This is our import line in which we add AWT package for frame class. This is class name which extends frame class. This is constructor of class in which we set the layout of frame as flow layout, because default layout of frame is border layout in which all added component inserted on top of each other. This is label without parameter, this is label with string parameter, and this label is with string parameter and alignment static constant. This method says the text for first label. This will set the alignment as the 2, means right. Here we add first, second and third label, sets the title of frame, set the frame visible and keep the size 700 by 700. Now we will run this program and checks for output. I wrote this code in Dr. Java. You can use any Java IDE as your convenience. So let's compile. And our compilation is completed, which is showing in compiler output tab. Now we will run this code and you can see on the screen output is here. At the end of the session, we will see some MCQs on today's topic. So our first question is, what is the use of second parameter in given constructor? Label, string, int. So our answer is specifies the alignment of text in label in terms of pixel. Second question is, current text of label can be obtained using which method? Answer is getText. Which are the alignment constant of label? Answer is all of the above. A label is a simple control which is used to display which text on the window dialog. Answer is both 1 and 3 because text can be immutable or text can be non-editable. Next question is, which is the passive AWT control which do not generate any event? As we know, the answer is label. And last question is, by which method you can set or change the text in label? Answer is set